Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and giving you the approximate value of my April Ipsy glam bag. Yes, it is already May. We don't want to talk about it. Finals. I'm blaming finals, and I'm also graduating in like a day, so I'm excited. Moving on, the theme for the month of April was Social Butterfly, and very apropos, this gorgeous, possibly my favorite glam bag ever. I think it is. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous butterfly bag, pink, blue, purple butterflies, and then it's kind of got this metallic rosy here, and it's like dusty rose, mauve-y on the other side. I'm obsessed with this bag. Like I said, probably my favorite one they've ever done. I just need to figure out what I can possibly use this for because it will be used. I love it. The first product I got is one I'm wearing right now. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. This is actually the full size. I love NYX. I love their products. I have a couple of these lip creams, some of them through Ipsy, some of them because I bought them myself because I really, really like their lip products. I love NYX. I will stop rambling about NYX, but I really like them. I really like this lip cream. It is super creamy. It lasts for a very long time. It is that perfect, almost naturally brick pink look. Does that even make sense? I don't know, but it is a really pretty color. It is very long lasting. It is super creamy. I am obsessed. Again, this is the full size, so it retails for $6.50 on the NYX website, so not a bad deal. I also got this little pearlescent coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub, and I was really hoping to like this more than I did. I love body scrubs, I love coffee, I love coconut, so this seemed kind of like a perfect triple threat for me. My biggest problem was that it is super greasy. Definitely even after washing the entire rest of my body, there was like residue. I use it on like the backs of my arms because I get those little bumps sometimes from eczema. Very, very greasy. Really hard to wash off. Not a huge fan of this, unfortunately. They actually sell this little sample size on the Pearlescent website, so the actual value is $10, and that is the entire Ipsy bag right here. I also got this little H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment, and I was really excited about this because it is finally getting to be summer here in Florida. I know a lot of people have been struggling with winter. We have too, even though 50 degrees is still very warm for you guys. That is very cold for us, okay? We've been freezing. So anyways, need hydration now that it's warming up and my skin is feeling it. So I was pretty excited about this. I do really like it. My biggest complaint is that it is heavily perfumed. Definitely smells like fresh rain or fresh linen. You know, that candly scent, that detergent-y scent. So I'm not a huge fan of the scent at all. But the product itself I did really like. It is super hydrating. It leaves my skin feeling refreshed for a very long time. I usually use this at night, and probably by about midday my skin still feels very soft and refreshed and hydrated and not greasy at all, which is very, very important. Overall, this kind of really reminded me of the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream because it's that same sort of feel, same sort of hydration, but I would definitely, I don't know, that one's really expensive, but I just really, really hate the scent of this. Basically does the same thing, but the scent in this is awful. I'd rather probably have the Peter Thomas Roth one, even though it is a bit more pricey. A lot more pricey. And the approximate retail value of this is $7.6, which is not too bad. Another product I'm wearing today is this cute little Polidorf bronzer in the shade Bora Bora. Super cute. I think it's just a really natural, blendable, pretty, kind of neutral toned bronzer. I really like this. I am going to use this entire thing this summer because I think it's got just a nice little amount of shimmer, makes you look tanned and bronzed. I really like this. I like the formula. I think it's super blendable. I love Polidorf. I've gotten a couple of the products from this brand in my previous Ipsy bags and haven't been disappointed so far. I wasn't able to find this exact bronzer on the Polidorf website. They have a full-size bronzer, but it just says bronze shimmer. It doesn't say that it's called Bora Bora. So based off of that, the approximate retail value of this is $7 and about 75 cents. And then last but not least is this Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow in the shade Doha, and the big draw to this is that it has jojoba oil in it, so it's supposed to be nice and nourishing and creamy. And as you can see, it is a gorgeous color. It looks so pretty. I didn't even want to use it, but I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about this. The biggest thing I would say is that if you don't apply it with your finger, you're not going to get any sort of pigment. That's what it looks like if you apply it with your finger. As you can kind of see, I'll try to zoom you guys in here. As you guys can hopefully see, it's actually kind of chunky. So the pigment isn't throughout the shadow. The pigment is only really in the glitter chunks. And this was a big problem that I had when I actually wore it on my eyes. It looks super good for probably about an hour, and then as sort of the oils absorb into your skin, the color fades. So you're just left with chunks of gold glitter across your eyelids. It looks really good at first, and then it kind of just fades. I don't know. I really have mixed feelings about this. It would be nice as a topper over other colors, but I had really high hopes for this when I first swatched it because it looks super pretty, and I was just ultimately kind of disappointed. The other kind of weird thing about this is that I wasn't able to find if this is a full size or a sample size. The website only lists a full size for $22, but it doesn't give you the ounceage, so I wasn't able to determine if this is a full size or a small size. I really hope it is a small size because $22 for this seems insane. It is really pretty, but it is not worth it for how chunky it is, so I decided to leave this out of my approximate value of this month's glam bag because I was unable to determine how much it's actually worth. So all of the products in my glam bag minus this little Sahi Cosmetics eyeshadow comes to a total of about $31, which is not bad at all considering that if you add any sort of value for this, like $5, $10, that brings it up to almost $40, so we're doing pretty good. As always, I will leave my personal referral link down in the down bar, so if you haven't checked out Ipsy for yourself yet, I highly recommend that you do. I love it. Again, I don't always love every single product that I get, but I love trying out new products, and I feel like, unlike Birchbox, these are at least tailored to me. Sorry, little shade. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry it's late, but yay me, I'm graduating. That's super exciting, right? So like this video, and then leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm super cool now. I'm a grad. And I'll see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching.